next act is going to help you keep your KORMA. So, Curry-Okey on down to our very own Saucy Spy sister from Curry on Cooking, Neelam Wright. Woo!
Hello, I am Saucy Spy sister from Curry on Cooking. There are two of us. Our policy is to kiss. Keep it simple, sister. Yes. Do you like curry? Yes. Anybody here like curry this evening? Yes. Could you eat a hot Indian? Ooh, what's your name? Darren. Ooh. I bet you couldn't get a hold one of me in your oven now, though, could you? Stop it. Stop it. I'm married. Look. What's that? What's that? Foreign milk? No. No. It's the Great British Curry. It's blended and packed in the UK. No. What do we do with these bullies? This is what we have to sing. What's the matter, you? Hey, got no respect. What do you think you do? And why do you look so sad? It's not so bad. It's a nicer place. Chapati your face. This is what we have to do. We have to say no to fear and to bullies. Yes. We stick 2 fingers up. Yes. Yes. Follow along. Hot. Like me. So we take a deep breath in and we say, wind your neck in. Yes. Erect yourself. Deep breath in. No, not that kind of erect. No, your posture, your spine. Yes, yes. Dearie me. Okay, so we have to continue under all this pressure. I was asked if I could sing, if I could perform under pressure, but I said no. I prefer Bohemian Rhapsody. Carry on, because it doesn't really matter. But ding ding, it does really matter. And we must love ourselves. And I want you to love me. Okay. So when we do this, we must put our hands on our chest and lift our sternums. It's not you that's depressed, it's one is your sternum. Take a deep breath in. Smile. I love myself. I want you to love me. Yes, we must love ourselves. In the voice of Yoda, acceptance we must practice. Yes. So, are we all practicing acceptance? I accept me and my rubbish accent. You accept you for being you. Yes, we're all different. Whether you're a curry queen or a drag queen or you just like queen. Let's just Marvin Gaye and get it on. Yes, let's get our saucy on. Yes, let's do it. Let's do the Lord's Prayer together. I went to a comprehensive school and the only thing I learned was the Lord's Prayer comprehensively. Our Lord, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. I thought Lord was called hello, and he did art all day long in heaven. He made the sun and the moon, and he was up high on his chakra hammock, accepting everybody. And this is why I love religious folk. Do we have any religious folk in the audience this evening? They're so kind and caring and accepting. Yes. To your face. Chapati your face. This is what we say. We have to say no to fear. So we have to say fuck off to fear. Excuse my language, yes. So, Papa, don't preach. No, I'm not preaching. But why? But why? Why do they put all that shit in the jars? And why are you eating these pastes? They do not exist in India. This is why the Great British Curry is quintessentially British. You would not go to India and ask for a korma or a balti. A balti was invented in Birmingham. So you must what? You must eat cock. Yes. Yes. You must all be straight talking and eat cock. No, not that kind of cock. No, this is vegetarian and vegan friendly. It has no cheese. Cock. Curry on cooking kids. Yes. Okay. Now, Darren, if you would like me to correct your posture after the show, then come and see me. You have been listening and watching to Saucy Spy Sister from Curry on Cooking. Tiki chance on me, honey, I'm still free. Thank you.
Type 5 Jokers, round of applause for Spicy Sauce Sister, Neelam Wright. Absolutely smashing the curry out. Well done, absolute superstar. We have got love in the chat box from Leon. Spot on, great set. Sharon says, ha ha. Leon says, that was great, but I'm hungry now. Little pickle, truly currylicious. And Sharon says, so many strong messages and funny as. So thank you. Keep all your love coming on in the chat. It will be sent on to the acts. Darren says, great stuff, hot stuff. Thanks, Darren.